Trading the foreign exchange market carries high risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Trading on margin, utilizing leverage can carry an even higher level of risk that can lead to a complete loss of investment funds. So before deciding to trade the foreign exchange market or using any of our software alert products, you should carefully and diligently consider your personal investment objectives, level of experience, and risk tolerance. There is a possibility that you could potentially sustain significant loss. You should not invest any capital or trade that you cannot afford to lose. It is your responsibility to be aware of and understand all risks associated with foreign exchange trading and to seek professional advice from an independent certified financial advisor if you have any doubts. Auvoria Prime does not exercise trading authority over your trades. You and you alone exercise discretionary trading authority over every trade.
First thing, we're going to take a look at our intraday account that we were running here. And as I told you guys going into this week, from last week's call, it was a big red folder news week. I expected drawdown to significantly get worse if you did not exit trades by, say, Wednesday with the intraday strategies. And it has. This week, we've made very little money, and we are currently in minimal drawdown, though, less than 1%, right? But we were in 0.5% or less beginning of the week, and things continued to go the way they go. So, these are the trades we're in. Obviously, an intraday strategy, you're only trading 6 pairs at once and only allowing 3 to actually open trades at a single time. But this is the strategy that's been being ran with skip a level. And for those of you who are not familiar with the strategy, here again is the strategies. You have your 2 intraday modes. You have instant entry, which is 3 pairs and 0.01 per 3K. And depending on your balance, you choose. And so, the intraday strategies are best with larger balances. Smaller balances, you're really always going to want to stick to the precision modes that GearBox has to offer. Now, if you're using skip a level, you also can scan all 6 pairs and based on your balance, choose what your max pair setting are. But these are the 6 pairs we use in the intraday modes. We don't use any of the other pairs that we use in the precision modes. As you know, in precision mode, there's, anywhere between 20 to, 28 pairs that you could be running in precision modes. So really kind of up to you. Now, when we take a look again back at what's going on here in this mode, you'll see if we take a look at, say, euro US dollar, you can see why we call it intraday. We're not really going for large moves. TP's right here. It's not like the precision modes where sometimes we're playing a huge swing and you get an entry here and you look at the TP and it's all the way here, right? Oftentimes we see that in the precision modes, but in intraday, you really, as we're calling it, you're playing the intraday modes, looking to catch small movements and get in and out and look to catch some pips and constantly be playing the market for profit. That's really what the intraday modes are designed to do. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with the upcoming week, the news, things that are going on, so that you can make your best determinations on, how you want to manage things. All right, so going in here, you'll see that we obviously have AUD on Monday with a monetary policy meeting minutes. We have a monetary policy statement for Europe on Thursday here. So Tuesday and Wednesday, very clear. Europe ECB press conference on Thursday. And then Friday as well, we have German flash manufacturing, PMI, and flash services. So really a lot of Europe news this week in one AUD event. Not really that red folder driven. But again, we like red folder events with GearBox, typically not in intraday modes, more so in precision modes. But in intraday modes, they can also play in your favor sometimes too, but they can also go against you just as easily because you are in constant trades typically. Whereas the precision modes have many times that you're not even in an open trade. So it all depends on your risk management. But taking a look at the news in the upcoming week ahead, I would say that really there's no worries on the intraday mode. Play as you would as normal, let it run and just monitor it and, close trades if you feel like it or you're uncomfortable. Intraday is always a more hands-on strategy with a little bit of management to it, where I tell people with precision, let precision do what precision does best. But with that being said, that is all I have for you guys today on Intraday. I look forward to seeing you all on our precision call tomorrow. I know we had some amazing gains in precision modes this week, a lot of new trades getting taken on some pairs, and people have been having a lot of success the last few weeks with the markets picking back up with the precision modes. And excited to share all those results with those of you tomorrow who tune in as well to the precision calls, which you should, because remember, Intraday is meant to be a second license. So again, I look forward to seeing you on the precision call tomorrow, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your Thursday, wherever you may be in the world, and see you tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.